This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Victoria. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare the silver cyprinid. In my country, we call them omena in Kenya, and in Tanzania, I hear they call it dagaa. So if you're new to this channel, you are most welcome. And remember to click on the subscribe button and join the family. Like this video as well and comment down below. Let me know what you think and how it turned out to be. So you guys keep on watching. This is how basically they look, and I call them baby fish because they are very little tiny fish. And how they are made, like how they are processed, it's only straight from the ocean and they are kept somewhere to sun dry. So that's just it. So I'm just going to be putting them on my pan and put a little bit of water and let it boil. That's how it looks like. I have added a little bit of salt and now I'll put on my fire and add a little bit of white vinegar. This is the vinegar that I'm going to be using, and the reason that why I'm adding the vinegar, it helps in fighting that odor that comes, that's sort of a smell that comes with the silver cyprinid, and as well the acidity of sourness of vinegar brightens the flavor of the food and adds balance to a rich dish. That's just it. That's why I'm adding up the white vinegar, and now I'm just going to cover it up and let it boil. Once my silver cyprinid boils, that's how it all looks. And now I'm just going to put off my fire and pour the water now. You can decide to rinse it or yeah, just let it like that. And as you can see, my silver cyprinid now looks fresh. They even look like they are alive, they're healthy. So this is how they all now look after boiling. And now I'm just going to be preparing the onion and the tomato, and this is my onion. Looks so fresh, straight from the farm. Yes, and my tomato and the coriander as well, straight from the farm. So this is how they all look like, and these are chilies, by the way. Oh my god, the plain, ooh, these are the dried chilies. Let me wait. Oh my, recording is a bit harder when you just have things that are moving. But anyway, this is how everything looks like after I wash and cut them all out. That's my coriander, my onion, and my tomato and the chili. And now I'm just going to be putting my onion in the pot and add up my silver cyprinid and now stir them and sort of what do I call it, dry them up. That's how I can explain. So I'm just going to be drying them up until they turn golden brown. So keep on watching. Please like this video if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't, because it's absolutely free to do that. Leave the comment down below and let me know what you think and how you cook your silver cyprinid. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of salt, as you can see there, and top it up with my roiko just to season it a bit and make it a little bit tasty, and now stir it up. I will keep on stirring my silver cyprinid until they turn golden brown. As you can see, after a while they started turning golden brown, and now this is where I'm just going to be going ahead with my tomato and add it up. I ended up using one tomato because my silver cyprinid was not a lot, but it was enough for one tomato, so that's just it. I will add my chili as well, and that's where they are. And I won't stir them right now, so I'll just cover up my food right now and let the tomato cook. As my tomatoes cook, I don't know what you guys serve your silver cyprinid with, but for me, I like it serving it with ugali, and so that is water for ugali. And later you can see my tomatoes like cooked, and I start everything up, and this is how my silver cyprinid looks like. Oh my god, looks so yummy, yummy. So I'm just going to be adding up my coriander, and now stir it up. So I don't know about you, but for me, I love having my silver cyprinid when it's not that so dry. So that's I go ahead with milk and add it up just a little bit, stir it, and let it simmer. Now I've already put off my water. So this is ugali that I'm preparing, and oh, it's about to get damn. So I'll go ahead cook my ugali and then come over and show you guys the final meal. So this is how my meal looks. Oh my god, you guys, you should try this recipe. Try it, guys. And it looks so yummy from the picture to the tasting to the whatever. Looks so yummy. You guys go ahead, try this recipe, and if you do, please, if you cook by the way the same as me, please comment down below and let me know. Anyway, I'll go ahead and show you guys how I eat it, and that's just it. You can have some greens aside, but for me here I didn't have it, so I'm just having like that. So anyway guys, let me go ahead and enjoy my meal, and thank you so much for watching till here, and remember to subscribe, like this video, and please share to your friends and family. Now finishing up with beetroot and mango juice, and voila, see you on my next one. Bye.